Echols saw blades. They didn't sponsor this video. I just wanted to pass on some good information that I was down in the Phoenix area and I called them through another referral. Went down there, family run business. Couldn't find a saw blade for this old saw. It was like 59 1/4 or something really weird. They cut them, welded them, ground all the saw blades I needed while I was there. Less than 30 minutes. Put them on a box, put them in a box, and they will ship anywhere in the country as well. If you can get a picture of that there, well worth contacting them if you need saw blades of any type, any length, any size. Thank you for watching.